Japan is accelerating the mass production and deployment of the TAP-12 land-based anti-ship missile system to expand its coastal defense capabilities. The corresponding plan was announced in the official procurement documents of the Japanese Ministry of National Defense. Accordingly, mass production began in April 2023 at the Mitsubishi Heavy Industries plant. It was reported last August that the government in Tokyo had issued an order to speed up the development of this missile. China is seen as a major threat to Japan and its outlying islands, and for this reason, Japan has taken steps to rapidly develop this missile. The basic TAP-12 missile has a range of 200 kilometers. The Japanese Ministry of Defense has planned to expand its range to 1,000 kilometers and also enable its launch from ships and aircraft. The range increase is reportedly achieved by modifying the engine and extending the missile's wings so it can fly at higher altitude. It will have a stealthy shape to reduce radar cross-section as well as high mobility to prevent interception from the enemy. The TAP-12 surface-to-ship missile is a truck-mounted anti-ship missile developed by Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in 2012. It is an upgrade of the TAP-88 surface-to-ship missile. A TAP-12 battery typically has 4 launcher vehicles, 4 ammunition carriers, 2 radar vehicles, and 2 more trucks with fire control and communication systems. Each TAP-12 launcher carries 6 missiles weighing 1,500 pounds that cruise towards the general position of a targeted vessel using a combination of initial, GPS, and terrain contour mapping for navigation. The missile skims about 20 feet above the sea, activating a high-resolution active electrically scan array radar seeker. The TAP-12 reportedly includes a satellite data link to receive missile cost adjustments from other platforms. While the missile battery do have their own radars, leveraging the TAP-12's improved range almost certainly require a concept of operations in which a forward operating platform engaged in maritime surveillance, such as a submerged submarine, a P-1 patrol plane, or a spy satellite, spots targets and relays targeting data to land-based battery. That could include course corrections transmitted to the missile to account for the movement of the target. This coastal defense missile system uses an 8x8 heavy high-mobility chassis. It is similar to that of the TAP-03 air defense missile system. In fact, it is a modified TAP-02 heavy recovery vehicle chassis developed by Mitsubishi. The ship-launched derivative of TAP-12, designated as TAP-17 missile, has been put into service, and it is to start deploying from Maya-class destroyer. The range has doubled to 400 kilometers, and is also planning to reapply for the improved version of the surface-to-ship system and the air-launched variant for the P-1 patrol aircraft. According to Japanese newspapers, the range will be extended from 200 to 900 kilometers, with a future target of 1,500 kilometers. The TAP-12's capability leap could have major implications in a conflict with North Korea or China. Batteries on the major Japanese islands of Kyushu or Honshu, for example, could threaten ships departing from Shanghai or transiting via the Yellow Sea to the Pacific. They could also attack targets on land anywhere in North Korea.